Hey everybody, I'm Mark Lambert. I'm a 6-time world barbecue champion. And you know why my process works? Keep it simple, stupid. You're gonna see exactly what I do is real simple. Well, you're gonna see when the smoker opens up and the bite hits the tongue.
Look at the juice. You see that? That right there is what it's all about.
Everything pops in your mouth, but not one too much of any particular thing.
That is a perfectly cooked rib. That is what this class is all about.
We're looking for the perfect balance of flavors, and that's why we win.
Perfect bite through skin.
Regardless of the platform, we can go to Memphis in May, the Houston World Championship, we can go to the American Royal, and we can win wherever we go. So if you buy this class, you can be a World Championship winner just like us. Select the meats you want to buy. It's real easy. If you want to save yourself $100, you can save $100 by selecting all of those meats. We know what barbecue judges like, and you can learn to cook like a world champion today.